Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best ECOVACS Deebot robot vacuum to date, the ECOVACS Deebot N8 Pro. This isn't just another robot vacuum. It's a smart, high-performance, dual-function cleaning system that redefines what convenience and precision mean in the world of home cleaning. Right out of the box, the Deebot N8 Pro impresses with its clean, futuristic design, minimalist yet robust. But don't let its sleek appearance fool you. This little powerhouse packs serious performance. With a suction power of up to 2600 pascals, it delivers deep cleaning across carpets, hardwood, and tile. Whether it's pet hair, fine dust, or those annoying cookie crumbs that always find their way into the corners, the N8 Pro handles it all with ease. One of the standout features here is its laser-based Lidar navigation system. If you've ever used a robot vacuum that ping-pongs randomly around your space, you'll immediately notice the difference. The N8 Pro scans and maps your home with pinpoint precision, avoiding obstacles with a level of intelligence that's almost uncanny. Furniture legs, socks, toys, it detects and navigates around them smoothly without slowing down or getting stuck. With its electronically controlled water tank, it evenly moistens the mop pad and avoids overwetting your floors. That means you get a gentle but effective clean, perfect for everything from sticky kitchen spots to dusty entryways. Customization is another major selling point. Through the ECOVACS Home app, you can set virtual boundaries, clean specific rooms, or schedule cleanings at different times for different areas. Let's talk about mapping. The Deebot N8 Pro supports multi-floor mapping, which is a game-changer for multi-level homes. It can recognize different floors and adjust its cleaning plan accordingly without needing to rescan or reconfigure anything. Just pick it up, place it on another floor, and press start. And yes, it's compatible with a self-empty station. While that accessory is sold separately, if you're all about hands-free convenience, this combo can go weeks without you needing to lift a finger. Battery life is another strong point. You're looking at about 110 minutes of runtime, enough to cover large areas in a single session. And if it does run low, it automatically returns to its dock, charges, and then resumes cleaning right where it left off. In terms of smart home integration, the N8 Pro works with both Alexa and Google Assistant. Whether you're in a small apartment or a large home, have pets or kids, or just want a spotless floor without lifting a finger, this vacuum delivers. It's one of the most intelligent and capable robots in the ECOVACS lineup, and when you pair its laser navigation with customizable mapping and dual-function cleaning, it's easy to see why it's called the best. If you're in the market for a robotic vacuum and mop that's powerful, smart, and deeply customizable, the ECOVACS Deebot N8 Pro is a top-tier pick. You're not just buying a cleaner, you're investing in peace of mind and a cleaner home without the hassle. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next in-depth product breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.